Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, and today we are reviewing 6 bags that are must-haves in your spring 2025 collection. If you're interested in seeing what they are, just keep watching. Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we talk about handbags, lifestyle, and fashion. And today we are discussing and reviewing 6 bags that you should add to your summer collection. So before we get started with the reviews, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. So let's get into these bags, you all. These bags are absolutely amazing. They are stunning. And I've scoured the internet to find brands that are, some of the brands are women owned, or they give back to charity, or minority owned companies. So doing a little girl math, that helps you to justify your purchase. So there you go. All right, so the first designer we're going to talk about is Demalié. Demalié is a woman-founded business. They give back and they're very charitable, and they have a lot of information on their website. So I ask that you please check them out. They've been around for a while. They have quite a few bags in their stable. But what we're talking about today is actually the Vancouver. I love the Vancouver style bag. And I especially love it in the salt and pepper version that they have. Now this version is a little bit over the $500 price point. It's $535 for the salt and pepper, but it's absolutely worth it. It is white with black trim, and I think it's stunning. I think it would set off any outfit with black accessories or white accessories. She is that girl. It has an adjustable strap, and it could be worn crossbody or could be worn on your shoulder. It has 2 compartments on the inside, and I think this is a bag that you could wear around town as you shop and going into the office, or you could wear it out on a night on the town. The Vancouver comes in about 10 different colors, ranging from white to black. So you have white, gray, tan, tiramisu, cognac. You have a myriad of colors that you can select from. So, but for this video, I really like the salt and pepper at $535. There is the second designer that we're going to be discussing is Dragon Diffusion. Dragon Diffusion is one that is it really got my attention because of the colors of the bag and what they stand for. They are environmentally aware. They believe in sustainability, and their bags are made to order. Now, with it being made to order, please keep in mind that it takes 12 to 14 weeks to get it. I know you're going, you said spring and summer. Yeah, you would get it at the end of, you would get it at towards the end of summer if you were to order it now. But, or this is in March, you would get it around June, right before the 4th of July, between that June 15th, 4th of July window, I guess, if you were to order it now. But these bags are beautiful, and the color range that they have allow you to wear these bags into the fall because the colors are so vibrant. They have reds and yellows and blues and greens and oranges, and then they have like a dark brown and tan, and these colors can be worn all year round. The bag that we're actually talking about is the green one. It's called Sand Croche, and it's a bamboo. They call it a bamboo bag. Maybe because of the weave, or maybe it's just a name that they've selected for this bag, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So the cost of this bag is $467. It is kind of at the higher point of the scale for this review, but because they are sustainable, they are environmentally conscious, and the quality is there, the price definitely supports the workmanship of the bag. So please check them out. The next bag we have is from Tory Burch, who is the designer of the day, because I am reviewing a Tory Burch bag at the end, and it's part of the ROMY collection. Now, I love Tory Burch bags. I've got some Tory Burch in my collection. Any chance I go to the outlets, I'm sneaking in there to see what she has, or if I go into Nordstrom's, I'm always looking to see what she's got going on. And this bag does not disappoint. It is a pebbled leather bag. I love pebbled leather because it's very forgiving. You don't have to worry about scratching the bag. It's very durable. And with the silhouette of this bag, it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in 2 sizes. The smaller size is at $4.28. It comes in gray, light cream, black, and tiramisu. The larger version of this bag, $568, and comes in 3 colors. So I do plan on making a pilgrimage to Tory Burch over the next few weeks, and I will upload some video of that shop with me so you guys can see that bag as well. But I think that the ROMY collection itself, she's got multiple styles within that collection, and every single bag is a winner. This one just grabbed me because, like I said, I love the silhouette of this bag, and I love the details on the front. So, Miss Tory, you're hitting it out of the park as usual. The next bag is by a company called Massimo Dutti. Now, with this company, they are new to me, but they've gotten astounding reviews online. Vogue also reviewed their bags and gave their company an astonishing review. It is completely cowhide leather, $390, has a zip fastening, and it comes in 3 colors, burgundy, black, and brown. I love this bag in burgundy. I think the burgundy is absolutely gorgeous. It does give you the ability to wear a darker color during the spring and summer while not having to go black or brown. With the burgundy, if you pair it with a white, a blue, pink, it will just elevate your bag to your outfit to another level. So once again, Bag Fairy, if you're listening, I do like this bag. It is $190. So please do check them out as well. Next bag on the list is from Brandon Blackwood, and I think Brandon Blackwood has been around for a while, and his creativity and just shines in the bags that he creates. You can find a suede bag, you can find a bag with fur, you can find metal bags, and he's also got fashion. So Brandon is really doing the thing. It is Black owned, and I think his bags are amazing, especially for the price. This bag that we're talking about today is $250. It's a Delphine. It's an orange, and she is that girl. You wear that bag and everybody is going to know that you're not playing. You're walking in the room to slay, because that bag shouts at you. And with the color orange in the summer, it almost becomes a neutral. So this bag in the spring, summer, and fall would translate very well. So I really like this bag. It's orange with gold hardware, and she is stunning. She is beautiful. Now, the last bag that we have is from a brand that we know. I've talked about it on this channel before and love. No, I'm not talking about Coach this time, you guys, but I am talking about the horse. They have a bag on here. It's the Alexis Tote. It's $229. It's made out of pebbled leather. She is gorgeous. It comes in several different colors: taupe, brown, black, olive, and tan. Now, I'm thinking about this bag in the olive because as I run my collection through my mind, I really don't have any olive colored bags. But I also like the taupe because I've seen the taupe leather and it is gorgeous. So I'm still kind of playing with it, you guys. So I plan to order one of these bags by the end of this week. from the horse, and we'll be doing an unboxing as soon as I receive it. So more to follow on that. But the Alexis tote is beautiful. Like I said, I love the pebbled leather. It is very robust. It stands up well. You don't have to worry about scratching or imperfections. And this one actually has feet. Yes. Where her sister, the Clementine, does not. She's a magical bag. But the Alexis has feet. So I like the fact that it will be above the tabletop and you don't have to worry about imperfections or anything on the bottom of the bag. So yes, so those are the 6 bags to consider when you are building your spring and summer collection, and they're all priced, with the exception of one, under $500. So now let's get into the bag of the day. The bag of the day is from Tory Burch. Now, I love Tory Burch. I've been a big fan of hers for years. I've got Tory's boots. I've got her bags. I had some of her jewelry, but it walked away from me. But I love Tory. And this is the Britain by Tory Burch. It is a pebbled leather. It is a crossbody bag. The chain itself is not adjustable, okay? It does not have on this patch where you can adjust the length. But you can do the same trick that we did with the Louis Vuitton. So I'm gonna step back. So you see how this bag opens. If you bring the chain in the front and you cross it, put the flap through it, it becomes a shoulder bag. Okay? Just that simple. See? So you can try that with any and all your crossbody bags. But this bag is fantastic because we're going to undo this. You have a zip on the front. You have a pocket in the back, and you've got good space within the bag. Now, when this bag closes, because you have magnets here, you get that click. You don't have to worry about your items falling out your bag. So I do love this bag. You can get this online. It's this very bag, the Britain, is going for $190 on some of the websites. So I will include a couple links to where you could possibly find this bag if it's still available. But it is a beautiful bag. Like I said, I've had this one for about 5 years and she has never let me down. So you can add this one. All right. So everybody, I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed these bags that I presented to you, and I hope that you heard some great things about these designers and consider them for your collection. Please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. Also click on the notifications so you can find out when we're uploading bags, because you'll get that pop-up that we've just uploaded a video. And yeah, so thank you once again for your support. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, take care of yourself and peace.